In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find your Slack user ID. This is useful for setting up bots, integrations, or fixing technical issues. Make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Start by opening Slack on your browser or desktop app. Then log in with your email, Google, or Apple account. Once inside your workspace, look at the bottom left corner and click your profile photo. From the menu, select Profile to open your profile details. In the profile window, find the three dots icon next to View As. Click it, then choose Copy Member ID. That's your unique Slack user ID, now saved to your clipboard. You can paste it into a document or store it securely for whenever you need it. And that's it. You now know how to grab your Slack user ID in seconds. Thanks for watching and check out my other Slack tutorials to boost your productivity.